What if I tell you that the landlord has increased the house rentage is not a good expression in English? Do you want to know why? Don't go nowhere. Hello, I am Tutu Adewale and I'm here to help you better your conversation. Yes, I said this sentence, the landlord has increased the house rentage, is not a good expression in English. And this is why. There is no such word as rentage in English. You should therefore avoid using it. The correct word is rent. Rent. The sentence should thus be rewritten or expressed as the landlord has increased the house rent. The landlord has increased the house rent. In the same vein, you should not say, I wish to pay my house rent instrumentally. This is also because the word instrumentally is a bad English. It is not an English word. What you should say in correct English expression is, I wish to pay my house rent in installment. I wish to pay my house rent in installment. Or you say, I wish to pay my house rent in 2 or 3 installments. Have you learned something? If so, kindly subscribe or follow for more.